Hello friends, today I am discuss about most important question for B.Ed exam. If you do B.Ed anywhere like Bihar, UP, MP and any another state, then it is important exam point of view. So you can prepare it without wasting of time. Question is, write a short note on examination as a tool for assessment. या question is, define examination as a tool for assessment. Describe NCF National Curriculum Framework 2005 Vision of Assessment for Learning. Answer is, examination as a tool for assessment. Examination is an important part of not only higher education but at primary and secondary level education also. The examination method and questions have a large impact on how and when students study and what they learn. Next point is, examination should not only be used as a control that a student is qualified, but also as an educational tool to influence the learning process. If the assessment is mainly for factual knowledge, the student will primarily learn, memorize, and recall fact and detail. Assessment test may have a high reliability. Okay. Next point is, RSA are easy to grade, but the validity might be low. For measuring that, the aims and objectives of education assessment need to include test of understanding such as ability to interpret, exemplify, summarize, compare and explain, as well as ability to apply, analyze, evaluate and synthesis. Assessment of a skill such as ability to communicate should also be included. Next point is, when students know that all this will be examined, they will extend their learning and gains useful and enduring knowledge and skill. For this, student provided opportunity to learn from the examination and realize what an answer should have covered. Furthermore, the students' answers are of value for the teachers to reveal what has been difficult for students to understand or to apply and thus identify modification needed in the teaching. Thus, to accomplish this, various examination methods are used which work as an assessment tool. These examination methods are as discussed below. Next point is, written exams including short answer and essay questions. Second, open book exams. Third, multiple choice test. Fourth, computer based assessment. Fifth, take home exams. Sixth, oral examination. Seventh, report writing and oral posters presentations of tasks performed. Thank you friends. Hope you will learn something new. इस वीडियो में इतना ही. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.